Lululemon has been crushing it. My wife and girls have so many Lululemon outfits. They not only wear them for working out, but they wear them all day, every day. Lulu has jackets as well as active apparel. They even have purses and accessories too now. They have men's clothes too. And yes, my wife did buy me some, and I have to admit, they do feel pretty comfortable and I like the way they look as well. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make a quick $360 by placing an earnings trade in Lululemon this week. Be sure and watch all the way to the end and we'll answer the questions. Why is now the right time for an Iron Condor option trade in Lulu? Is Lulu a good company poised to skyrocket or drop since it's near all-time highs? And how do we sell an Iron Condor option trade in Lulu on the option trading platform? Hey guys, we've got a great video for you here today. But before we start, I ask a favor. Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you appreciate the effort and work that goes into making these videos. I really appreciate it. It helps out the channel quite a bit, and thank you very much. I think it's really important that we understand all the different strategies that the rich are using to get richer. Then we can use those same strategies and tools to profit safely in any market. Be sure to download the free options workshop in the link below. It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. Why is now the right time for an option trade in Lulu? Guys, everybody wants to look good, right? Lululemon designs, distributes, and retails athletic apparel, footwear, and accessories for women and men. It operates in two segments, company-operated stores and direct-to-consumer online. The company offers pants, shorts, tops, jackets for healthy lifestyle such as yoga, running, training, and other activities. It also provides fitness-inspired accessories and footwear. Guys, let's take a look at the chart going back to 2020 in Lulu. As you can see, it's up around $460 near the all-time highs. So it's basically priced for perfection right now. Looking at Lulu's income statement, we see that revenue has been consistently growing year over year for the past several years. And the balance sheet is clean too, with assets increasing while liabilities are kept in check as well. So in wanting to place an earnings trade in Lulu, it would be great to know if the stock's going to move up or down after earnings, right? In other words, is Lulu a good company poised to skyrocket or not? In this article by Zacks, they estimate third quarter sales to come in at $2.2 billion, a 17.8% increase year over year. The consensus estimate is only a 13.5% rise. So they are saying that Lulu will beat earnings. Investors Business Daily also predicts good numbers from Lulu. However, they point out that it likely will still be 3 straight quarters of slowing sales growth. So it seems like Lulu has a good chance to beat the estimates on earnings and revenue. However, how is the stock price going to react? I'm sure Lulu will talk about forward guidance on the conference call and other items as well. Since Lulu is already near all-time highs, I think it's almost priced for perfection, and any bad news could bring it down. On the other hand, inflation is starting to finally level off, and Christmas is coming where Lulu should do very well. Its online sales and technology are very good as well. So I'm going to trade both sides, but skew the trade to the downside since Lulu is already near highs, and I'm not too concerned about it skyrocketing to the upside. So, how do we sell an Iron Condor in Lulu on the option trading platform? We are using the Tastytrade option trading platform. You can do this on any platform. However, Tastytrade is one of the best and most intuitive for trading options. These are the guys that developed the TOS Thinkorswim option trading platform and then sold it to TD Ameritrade. TD and Schwab still use this platform today. Tastytrade is even better. Use the link below and you can get cash back when you open an account. I recommend that you open with about $5,000 so that you can place several different trades. Punch in LULU in the upper left while on the trade page, and the option chains will pop up. We see that LULU is currently trading at $459, and the IVR, which is implied volatility rating, is a huge 53. This means that option prices are high, and it is due to the fact that it's just prior to the earnings release this Thursday. Volatility is high because the price is more likely to make a larger move than typical. After earnings, volatility will drop, so we want to sell options in the current high vol environment, and then hopefully buy them back for much less dollars after the earnings event. Let's click and open the December 15th chain, since it's the regular monthly option chain and just 10 days to expiration. Click on the bid to sell the 425 put option and ask to buy the 415 option. We collect $1.68 for selling this option, which is really $168 since one option contract controls 100 shares of stock. Now on the call vertical side, click the bid to sell the 490 call and ask to buy the 500 call option. We collect another $198 for selling this call vertical. So in total, we collect $366. Now, if we click on the curve mode while still on the trade page, we can visually see the profit zone in green. As long as we stay above the 425 strike price and below the 490 call, we keep the full $366 that is placed in our account as soon as we hit review and send to place the trade. Now, if for some reason the stock price moves outside of our range, then we can close and take the loss. We can also close and recenter in the next month options and collect additional premium. If this does happen, keep an eye out next week for a video, and I'll show you exactly how to close and sell the options in the next month and collect additional premium while waiting for the stock to come back. Last thing, guys, wait to place this trade right before the close on December 7th on Thursday. That way you'll be able to make sure that you are in the best position. You can center your strikes, and LULU will announce their earnings right after the close on that day. All right, guys, if you're a beginner and this sounded kind of confusing, don't worry. It did for me as well at first. We will continue to cover option trading tips and tricks in future videos and learn together. I put a link down below for the free options workshop. Remember to grab that. Please hit like and subscribe. Let me know any comments or questions that you have. I answer every one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.